test 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Game. Hello, welcome back to another DevStream. This is the second stream about minimaps. As you might have known, last time I started on a minimap. And as if you also know that probably have also noticed that there's a new Vuforia version 11.4 Vuforia Engine 11 and it's pretty cool what updates they brought us. For us, really interesting is the cloud error targets. So basically you have error targets in the cloud, similar to like multiset, how they do it. They can only do it in the cloud, but with Vuforia, we can have them in the cloud. And the special thing is you can stream them like in portions. So go into the library, web API, cloud error targets. You will see that the requirement preset. Yeah, so you need the premium plan. I hope that I'm not sure if for testing one, but we're gonna see that. Yeah, so tracking data can be streamed in parts only if the developer provides the external position. Okay. So if you track the position with external prior, for example with GPS, you can partially stream the point cloud, which makes sense. I'm sure Google does the same thing, a similar thing for their Google Live View. They're not gonna download the whole airport when you're at the airport and using Google Live View there. So this is pretty cool. Looking forward to try that out, maybe on next stream or later. For now, we're gonna continue work on the minimap that we started. Last time we ran into some problems that I couldn't resolve. So let's hope I can resolve them. Today, yeah. So let's check. Yeah, so this is kind of ugly that we see this in the scene, but might find a solution for that. So you can see like this little dot. Also gonna see it when you look down. Don't really like this. Maybe we can exclude it from the rendering. The camera is normal again. That's good. What we want to create today is maybe that that's funny. In this thing that it's on layer top. Funny. Yeah. Because we have the camera attached to the. You look in the scene, you see this camera here. This is the one actually looking down, looking at this map. That's like the simplest approach. So we always see from top. We could also what we could also do is have this separate somewhere and have the camera move there. Yeah, so what I want to achieve today is that, we see the line. Maybe we should have the same line for the guy. But what I want is that I can, that it's rotating. There was nothing in the tutorial that I've used, but let's try how to solve it. What we want is that it's always looking into the direction of the camera. How do we know that? Okay, so we have our map. Let's look like a bit like this. Okay, and then we have the minimap. At the moment, it's just fixed, going up, and now we always want that it turns according to the player position. We always want that the map going actually when am I standing here? Let's make a square for the player. I'm looking this direction. This should look here, right? Make this green. So actually what we want is we want to calculate the rotation, the difference from here to here. Okay, this is like the x. Example. So we're gonna have like a reference vector that is showing up, not up, in one direction. And then can we use the lookat? Probably not. But maybe we can get the rotation of the air camera and apply the difference to the in the first approach I want to try to calculate this myself, and then maybe we're gonna look it up how others solve it. Because that's what's fun about learning, right? So here we have this minimap. Here we have the air camera. The air camera has its form here. Turn. We have this. Oh, that's funny. Is the sphere not in the center? Leave the kitchen. It must be really close. Oh, here it is. Funny. Aha, because we... Yeah, gonna turn around. This. Okay, so we're gonna look into a direction. Maybe it's too loud. So that is also one thing we need to fix. That's funny. There's no line now. Where's the line? Oh, where's the line? Why can't I see it on the minimap? What the heck? Oh, it's somehow... Oh, it's somehow... It's called... culling. Face culling? That never happened before. We changed some camera settings. Oh, that's not good. Dang, what the heck? Showing the scene. It just goes away. Maybe this is some Unity bug. Because I also see some errors here from the AI navigation package. Maybe you should update the package. There's an update. I don't think it's the package though, because this is mesh. Newest version? Oh. Why are we on version 2? Why are we on version 1? That's super old. Okay. Why doesn't it tell me to update? Okay. I expected this to give me like update notifications like here. Localization, that's not... That's about internationalization. I think that's a weird name, but about locales. And maybe someone knows. How do I get this update here? I think maybe just install it. And just do that. From name. What happened? Maybe we have some breaking changes. A bit dangerous. Yeah. What? That's weird. Why did you never get a notification about this? That's like super old. Okay, that's not so old, but still very old. Yeah. Okay, good to know. Still did not install it. Well, let's just remove this. I'm a bit afraid we lose some settings. Oh, you can always go back, right? Gate. Oh, yeah, we should. I added just occlusion helper scripts or implemented anywhere, so don't worry. We might gonna need this later or not. Vuforia updated some stuff. Might not be necessary anymore. And by the way, sorry about this. That I broke the wheel. I'm just gonna remove it. I'm gonna install the other one over it. Manually. By name, nothing. Oh, it's instant in 1.1.5. Why? Because we are in 22. And this is 23. Okay, yeah, probably because we're still on 2022. Do we update that? Probably, right? Yeah, we're still on 2020. Okay, let's check what Vuforia says. Platform support. Project versions, I think. What they say. Java tools, Unity. Yeah, so they say Unity 2022. Android development, iOS also 22. Yeah, so that's mainly the cause why we are still on that 22. I don't know if you can switch to 2023. Probably could, but I would need to ask the dev guys. Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of a bit the downside when you have a framework like that. That's kind of bound to that tendencies. The other frameworks might move faster. Okay, so we stick with this. This is installed automatically, this version, so I guess this is the best version at the moment. Or we can try it. Maybe I'm gonna try it 2023. And we're gonna see. But that was still weird with the... wait, kitchen is where? Here. Yeah, so this is weird. Yeah, so from this side it's blocking. Is it because, is it distance based? No. No, it's like direction based, yeah. Weird. Does someone know why this happens? Why does that happen? Let's look at this camera. Oh, let's deactivate this camera. Okay, it's not updating anymore. Expected. Because we deactivated it. Here. But it's like deactivating in the scene as well. And I mean, this is not the camera, right? So... And as far as I remember, on last stream, we didn't edit any of this. Yeah, and at some point you also need to update to the version. Ocean calling. Let's look at the line renderer. This one. Going away. What does the loop do? Ah, there's a loop. Oh, that's interesting. The architecture. Maybe it does have to do with the material. No way, it does have to do something with the material. Default. What was it before? Default line. Legacy shaders. Okay. Let's check that again. Yeah, where's that from? Team built-in extra. Okay, it's like the basic line render, maybe broken. Yeah, imagine you're like walking and then suddenly your line goes away. That's not good. And how does the line... I cannot access this in somewhere in the assets or like built into the Unity. Okay, so we should definitely have our own material here. Okay. So weird. That happens in programming. Okay. The things change in the background and you have no idea why. Was the line before orange? Do we have it red? Yeah, we should have this orange too. I like orange more than. Boom. And then we give the air path. Give an orange material. See. Here we have like this fading color, but I'm not sure if this is applied. And it's doesn't have any emission. Okay, but this looks better again. Whoa, that was weird. Okay. And why is this not the same? Receive shadows. Let's say no. Off. Don't want that. Makes any shadows. At the line. Yeah, why not? Why is it darker than this one? I mean, it's the same orange, with different lightnings. Maybe the line where it works totally different. Does this have an effect? I don't think so. I think this is only taking effect. Oops. If we here have a white one. Or oh, this doesn't have an effect at all. All color. Oh, soon have no battery anymore, or probably still long enough to stream. Check quickly. Oh, not even on here. This is not same. I think it will be fine. Well, this is something. Yeah, okay, let's try something out. Try a okay. Basically here we see it. Now what if we have an emission? Then we have that, but thing is under the orange, we don't want to have emission, it will be even more bright. We have to have the same color. It's a bit lit now, whatever. Yeah, so if you want to have different colors, play around with that yourself. Don't want to go too much into these details now. But that's, yeah, so still not the same. There's still a difference between the line render and this mesh render. But I quite like that color. It's also the color of my bike. My road bike. My bicycle. Say here. That is a bit weird, the stop button here in the middle of everything, but don't worry about it now. We were about the minimap, right? And we want to get rid of this, so, but let's first save this. Let's say, okay. We don't need the white anymore. This. What got uninstalled here in the back? Some stuff got updated. I have to separate it. Fixed. Weird line. And there. Back just updated. Okay. Ah, we did not save the scene. Yeah. Save scene and voila. Okay, if you're already fixing stuff, how did we fix that last time? That we don't have this weird. So just for information, this, what we're seeing here, this is the, not even see it here in the scene, it's only on the on the 2D canvas. Go here, 2D. Backward. No, I move like this. So you'll see it's on here. This is from the area target package. No, not area target package. It's also called target. What's it called? It's a free package in the from the Unity asset store that makes like this arrow when you look away. Okay, so I want to have this if you look away from the line, that you see back to the line. And we do this by attaching a game object here, and then it does the magic calculations and refers back to this point. So, and where is this? That's a box indicator. Okay. Off-screen targets are they're called. And this is this one. And how did I solve this? Is maybe I can deactivate here, but I think they added in the script. See. Yeah, see. But where is it now? Adding this as a clone. This is this one. Interesting. When I'm looking away, deactivating it. Okay, unfortunately, I cannot. One fix could be that I try something. This white box here. Just delete that one. No, I cannot delete it, but what if we... I cannot do... Yeah, it will not persist. We can have script deactivating that or alter the script of them. What's it called? Box object pool. See if we can change it. Box indicator. Differentiate. So here it's instantiate. Let's say box get game component image. Image. Say box image. Okay. Ah, different class. Yeah, that's what I tried. Ah. I want the Unity image. Yeah. Ah, then maybe we have the problem that also the arrow not have an image. I can see. Ah, that worked. Okay. Problem partially solved. One way to do it. Change something in the editor? No. Okay, so that's one way to solve it. Let's try another way. Well, I don't think they're gonna do an update and so it is. Actually, should not change code from a package on Unity asset from Unity assets because they will do updates and then they will override your changes. If it's really important, of course, you can have a list of changes that you have made. Sometimes that's necessary, but not preferable. So, but I think this is still a good fix. The other fix that we could do is we just delete the file, but then there would be probably a null pointer exception, and that is more ugly. So let's test it. Oh, it's not tested. No time for that. So we just have a right off screen target. There we go. And then let's actually get back to the topic of today, that minimap. We want to rotate this according to the player's position. Do we already have a minimap script? Map camera, minimap script. Yes, we have. This is the camera, and this makes the map always. No, this makes the camera always go with the. Here's the actual board. This is the border. Okay, and this is the mask. So we want to rotate the mask. Click. Yeah, so we want to rotate the mask. We don't need to rotate the border. Inside is actually the. What is this for? Ah, that's just containing the mask, and this is containing the actual text render. Okay, so it would be enough to not roll it to the side, but only this way. Okay. Okay. We're not doing it on this script. Those don't have a script, I think. Create a new one. Application. And I should stop in 5 minutes. This time is running late. But I will continue next week, or I'll figure this out in the meantime. Sound in the music. Let's just Google it. How to rotate minimap with layer camera. We got the lazy way, sorry. Not rotate. Make display file the camera. It follow but not rotate. Uh-huh. Let's just find the position, okay. Yes, I'll also do some research for next time. Maybe explain it. Follow the camera. Okay, so here's the same thing. Go to YouTube video to your session. Thanks. Okay. You insert new target rotation. Yeah. And the target rotation is. Yes, what is the target? What do they mean with target? Rolled 13 years ago. Crazy stuff. With the minimap facing down, this was set to come to the exact angle as the camera. Okay. Transform? No. Let's see, how do we have set it up? In the minimap, we have the user. We could also maybe try to do it from here. This is public game object, game texture. The minimap text we attach. And late updates. That's about it actually. Probably. We want to change this. Information. What's the problem? Why not? Ah, this is old. And then target is probably the user. Bound transform. Why is this wrong? Was this earlier done like this? He did not check his code. We should not. That's the quaternion, right? Yes. Let's try this guy's solution. Yeah, that is super early. Super old. 2012. A lot of changes. Things changed. Have it like this. It's not a variable. Oh, it's been so long I work with application. How to set application. I think it's recommended to only rotate this. Super old. You have to assign a value directly to the ordinals field. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff I don't understand. Turns as a topic or a science for itself. Can this work? No, I don't think we can. Not a variable anymore, so we cannot. Aha. Maybe like this. He only wants to set y. Set it like this. 0, and then the user. So this is just the y position. We have to assign the game object. Then we can actually delete this orientation. And then here we're gonna assign the minimap. Boom. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Actually is redundant. What does that mean? We don't have to sign this. Enough. Yeah. Okay. We set the Y rotation of our user. Does it make sense? The Y rotation of our. What is the user? Camera. Okay. Camera. Is relevant. Yes. Change this. Can I change it? Can we change it here? Weird. It's funny. Okay. Thanks. It's just to upvote. What do we do? But what's the target? the target. The camera, okay. Camera follow. We'll set the camera. Okay, this is how I solved it. But we cannot set this anymore like this. Okay. We can add this as a parallel, yeah. So we use it like this. The question is, yeah, this is from this, right? And then, we need the Euler angles from here. Maybe not the rotation. Back. And if that doesn't work, let's call it a day. And I'm gonna research on that. Oh, it doesn't look good. And it totally crashes when I... Whoa. What is happening now? It is rotating. That's not how I want it. It's rotating around the y-axis. Are we looking? Oh, that's funny. We're rotating the game object, but we want to rotate it on this. We want to rotate on which? Yeah. Goes around y. No. Around z. Okay. Maybe we have to do this one. That then. This. Take the y rotation of D, but apply it to this rotation. D. Come on, build faster. It's so annoying when you want to build. Like, yeah. Question is it correct? In front of the kitchen. Where does our camera look? Okay, let's... No, it's definitely not looking correct. So, here. Why is it 90? No, is it 90%? Look in this direction. The path goes here. And I need 90 degrees. Okay, but it's turning, yay. But not correct. Why is that? I don't know. Does it have to do with the start position of the air camera? Okay. Turn this a bit. So I expect to how should it look? When I'm looking like this, it should look like this. So is it maybe 90%, 90 degrees off? But why? Plus 90 or minus 90? That looks better already. I'm looking at the box and I see them in here. Check. But it's still kinda right, but it's not. I don't think it's the real solution. Because here we're looking straight, but we are slightly off. Should be like straight like this, right? Why? And why? What are those in the first place? Yeah. Anyways, let's call it a day. We're not gonna find out anything more unless we do a lot of reading in this quaternions and Euler angles. Yes. So I hope you still learned something. I didn't learn anything. I just learned that there's still a lot of things to learn. Or relearn. I once had to do stuff with quaternions, but only a little, like rotate a bit. So yeah. Anyways, that was it for today, and have a good one. Bye. You will no longer be able to reconnect.